What's up, guys? Today I'm actually out in Katahdin right now. It's a beautiful part of Maine. And me and my friend Dave,
Right there.
hey, what's up? We're gonna be walking up a stream looking for some beaver dams to see if we can catch some brook trout today on the fly and then prepare ourselves a little lunch.
Is there any way that you could sort of just soft me out so that like I don't know that I'm at work? In here, could I come home and think that I've been fishing all day or something?
Oh, that looks fun. This is enjoyable. So frustrating. Ooh, that's tight. Look at this.
What is this? Oh,
This is camp.
Take a picture of it. I would sleep here all night long, dude. Oh.
Yeah, let's take a break. Yeah, this is more like it.
That's gorgeous.
Oh wow. Yeah. Look at that. See, for now I just got on this little black fly. Oh, that's a better one. Better. We could eat them.
Okay.
I don't know if I want to though.
That's a nice fish.
He's 6-inch.
Okay.
Should we?
One of them, yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yep, you got it.
5, 6. All right, that's the first keeper right there.
Good fish. Hey, number one. Numero uno. Oh, that's a nice fish. Hey. Little trout.
Nice little brookie.
Yeah, looks good. Man.
Oh! I don't know how I hooked him. Yeah, he came flying out of the water. Nice brookie. Oh, they're gorgeous though. He's good.
Good size.
For this tiny little river. Yeah. Yep. Come here, come here, come here, come here. You're gonna ruin my camera. Yeah.
That's a decent one.
That's dinner. That looks perfect. Yep. That's because it is. Another little panfish. Found myself a nice little quiet spot here in the woods to clean those fish up, cut up the veggies, and I actually found some wild mushrooms I'm going to throw in there too. So there's the 4 fish that we ended up keeping. These fish are just going to be simply fried in some olive oil. So while I wait on my fish to cook, I've got some veggies I'm going to cut up for my fish tacos. So some onion, lime, tomato, and an avocado. And these are the chanterelles I picked the other day. They're going to be really good with the fish. I'm going to cut them up and throw them into the fish while they're cooking, just to heat them up a bit. And there we go. And the chanterelles to the mix. That way these can soften up. Take those aside, let that cool off a little bit, and toast these. Today's been a really good day of fishing. I kind of want to finish this up just so I can get back out there. Gonna top them off with a little bit of tomato, some onions, these chanterelles. Next up, avocado. Just a little bit of cilantro to garnish. Finish that up with some lime. There we go. I'd say that's a pretty good campfire meal. Can't wait to try this and then get back out there fishing. All right, let's give this a try, see how it turned out. This is an excellent lunch for a midday fishing trip. So the last thing I'm gonna do is finish this up and I go right back out to that little fishing hole I've been at and then probably fish till dusk. And don't forget, guys, remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and I'll see you next time.